Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this stylish Ford Fiesta. So this car's got full Ford service history and comes with metallic paint and 15-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car you've got DAB digital radio, CD player, Bluetooth. There's also air conditioning and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1 litre petrol engine. It's done under 41,000 miles. It's had one former owner, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.